If you have your own passport size picture like this, and if you want to make this picture as a profile picture of Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, but this is looking very formal. If you add some effect and the background in your picture, it will look very beautiful. Today we are going to show you a beautiful website which can make your profile picture into an attractive style. So if you want to make this kind of beautiful profile picture just in one click, just watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. To make the profile picture, just go to any browser and write here PFP Maker, and here you will find an website PFP Maker. Just click on over here and you will find an option that is upload photo. Click on over here. Let me select the photo from my computer. Click on open. It will be generating your profile picture, and here you will see this is not actually looking perfect, so you have to go to edit photo. Let me decrease the scale and keep the picture like this, then click on save, and here you will see this is beautifully changed into various attractive profile picture. If you want to download any one of this picture, let me download this picture. Click on download, and here you will see a picture has been downloaded in my computer, and you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.